साथियों, आज हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हैं जो एनटीएस के ने जो भी नीट एग्ज़ाम कराया था 5 मई को 5 मई 2024 को, एंड वी कंडक्टेड दिस एग्ज़ाम इन 571 cities at 4,750 centers including 14 cities abroad, and total 14 lakh 6,000 about candidates were registered, and about 2 lakh 17,000 exam functionaries we have deployed. So after the exam, we declared the result on 4th of June, and the detailed press release was also issued, and after that there were some concerns of the candidates, and then we again clarified through a press note on 6th June. So the details were shared by the NTA. NTA is a very transparent organization, and at every stage we share the information with the candidates, whether it is the city intimation or whether it is the displaying OMR, taking the challenges, and whatever the challenges are there, then the experts are there to look into those challenges, and all the challenges are addressed and communicated through press media on our portal. So this year there were certain issues, those are raised by the candidates, the like higher marks, and so many toppers. So initially the result was like the 17 students were in the topper, but there was a physics question, and every year when we ask the challenges, and then the questions are like, because of ambiguity, the answer key when finalized, so there are changes. So on that basis, 44 candidates have got marks from 715 to 720, and the toppers, number of toppers like 17 plus 44 हो गया था, 61 हो गया था. Then because this is a largest exam I think in the world or in the country, which the competitive exam which happens in a single shift, about 24 lakh candidates and 4,750 centers. So this scale of this examination is one of the largest. And so the issues at about 6 centers that affecting about 1,600 candidates, that because of the wrong distribution of question paper, and issues there, 1 or 2 candidates, 2-3 candidates got the torn OMR, and they like a list key, they got less time because of the center superintendents. They should have given the 3 hours 20 minutes. Our instructions are, if any exam is started late, like in place of 2 o'clock, if it starts 2:30, so the exam should end not at 5:20, it should end at 5:50. And this has happened at most of the centers, but at some centers the exam was conducted in such a way that they could not get enough time. So the candidates, the concerned candidates, they went to honorable high courts and given the representations that petition that they got less time, say either they should be retest or they should be compensated for time. So we also replied in the High Court that we have formed a grievance redressal committee of experts, and this committee will look into all the details of the time loss, including the reports from the center, the CCTV footage, and all that. So the High Court said they dismissed petition, and if the candidates are having further grievances, then obviously they can again go back to the court. So on that basis, our committee met, and they perused all the details of the centers, of the CCTV, and they found that sometime center-wise there is a different time was lost, and they should be compensated for the marks. And there was a Supreme Court judgment in 2018 in CLAT case if there is a this type of grievance कि time loss होता है, तो there is a formula, and on that basis compensation can be given. So the committee thought this is the way we can address the grievances. So during this grievances, their marks have been increased, and due to that some students, the concerns which have come to the media is because of the certain candidates have got marks which are they have come in the topper. 6 candidates have come in the topper, 2 candidates have 718 and 719 marks. So that is how the issue came, how candidate can get 718 and 719. So it is not because the number of questions other +4 -1, but because of the scale formula, the numbers can be 718 and 719 also. So we have analyzed all the things and transparently, and then declared the result. So this problem was happened like out of 4,750 centers, it was limited to few 6 centers, and out of like 24 lakhs, it was only 1,600. So the integrity, etc., of this exam throughout the country was not compromised. And one issue which was happened in Savai Madhavpur, that because of wrong Hindi English distribution, we took the action immediately, and because by that time at every center candidates were inside. So the question paper in social media was I think around 4:28, 4:29 p.m. after the start of 2 hours 28 minutes later. So we said that there is no paper leak, and we reconducted the exam at that center with a different question paper, and it went smoothly. And then there were allegations from some other centers that there is a possibility of paper leak. So we all again analyzed our system and denied that report through the press release on 6th of May. So the whole exam process has been very transparent, and the integrity of the exam was not compromised at all, and categorically stated in our press release. So we assure all the student community that the exam has been done with full integrity. So this is a brief of the things. Thank you.